My name is Lena. I'm a normal girl from a small town. I got married when I was 22 years old. Like many girls, I had dreams. Dreams of love, of soft hands, of someone who looks at me and smiles like I matter. But I also had fear. Fear of the first night. Fear of the unknown. Some of my friends told me it would hurt. Some said it was beautiful. Some said they cried. Some said they laughed. I didn't know what would happen to me. I was scared. The wedding day was long and full of noise. People, photos, food, prayers, hugs, and many tears. I left my parents' house with a heavy heart. I smiled, but inside I felt like a child walking into a big world I didn't understand. When we reached his home, my new family welcomed me kindly. Everyone was happy. But I was nervous, so nervous that my hands were cold and my lips were dry. I kept smiling, but I was shaking inside. After the guests left and the lights went dim, I was taken to our room. The room was quiet. The bed had flower petals on it, and the air smelled sweet, like sugar and something warm. I sat on the bed, silent. My eyes were low. My heart was beating like a drum. My hands rested on my lap, but they were shaking. I could hear every small sound, a clock ticking, the soft wind outside. Footsteps. Then the door opened slowly. I didn't look up, but I knew it was him. Adam, my husband. We were married now, but we barely knew each other. He walked in and gently closed the door. My breath became shallow. My back was straight, my lips pressed tight. I could hear him walking toward me. My chest felt tight. He sat down on the bed, but not too close. He left space between us. There was silence, complete silence. Then, in a soft, calm voice, he said, "Lena, I know this is new. It's okay. We don't have to rush. Can we just talk first?" His voice was not heavy or rough. It was warm, like someone offering you a blanket on a cold day. I slowly turned and looked at him. He was smiling, but not in a strong, confident way. He looked nervous too. Like someone afraid to scare a small bird sitting near his hand. That made me feel something I didn't expect. Peace. He picked up a glass of water from the side table and offered it to me. When I reached to take it, our fingers touched. Just for a second, but that small touch felt like a spark. My cheeks felt warm. I looked down again. He laughed a little and said, "You don't need to be so scared. I'm not going to bite you." That made me smile, just a small smile, but it broke the wall between us. Then he started talking about silly things. He told me how his wedding suit was too tight, how he almost tripped walking into the wedding hall. He said he was scared before entering the room, just like me. I was surprised. I thought only girls feel shy on the first night. But he was honest, open, and that honesty made my fear melt a little. Then there was a pause. He looked at me and asked, "Can I hold your hand?" I nodded slowly. He took my hand in his. His hand was big, but gentle, warm. He didn't grip it tight. He held it like it was something special. I felt my heart beat faster again, but this time it was not fear. It was something soft, something sweet. His thumb moved slowly on the back of my hand. That tiny movement, simple and soft, made me feel things I had never felt before. Safe, close, seen. Then he said, "Lena, we don't have to do anything tonight. I want you to feel safe with me, not scared. We have time, a lot of time," and suddenly my eyes filled with tears. I don't know why. Maybe it was because I was scared for so long. Maybe because I never thought someone would care like this. Or maybe because this moment felt real. He gently touched my cheek and wiped my tears. His fingers were soft. I closed my eyes. It wasn't a touch of desire. It was a touch of care. Then he slowly leaned forward and kissed my forehead. A long, quiet kiss. I could feel his breath on my skin. It didn't feel like a kiss on my body. It felt like a kiss on my heart. He whispered, "Let tonight be the start of something good. Not pressure, just love." Then we lay down together side by side. He held me close. My head rested on his chest. I could hear his heartbeat. Slow, strong, calm. That sound made me feel safe. He kissed my hair gently. His fingers moved slowly over my arm. And when he leaned down to kiss my lips, I didn't pull back. I let it happen. Because I felt ready. Because I trusted him. It was a soft kiss. Not perfect. Not like movies. It was a little awkward. A little shy. But it was real. And that made it beautiful. That night we didn't try to be husband and wife in the way people expect. We tried to be human first. We didn't chase a moment. We shared one. We didn't cross lines. We made space. Now, when I look back at that night, I smile. Not because of what happened, but because of how it happened. I want every girl to know, your first night is yours. It should never be about fear. It should be about feeling safe, feeling seen, feeling respected. And to every man, be kind. Don't rush. Listen more than you speak, because true love doesn't start with touch. It starts with trust. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. Let someone else hear it too, because every girl deserves to feel safe, and every love story should begin with respect.